Now we are entering the examination center, New Era Junior College. This is day one, financial reporting. So students Hari and Vamshi are checking their hall tickets. They're sitting them. Check your number. Go. Manju is trying to find her number.
Third floor.
Your number? 4. Okay. Clear kada?
Third floor, room number 10.
Needi, Hari? Okay, so finally, Hari is gonna get 60. One thing is
150 plus.
50 jalanta. Okay, couple of exemptions and 150. This is what you're noting. In your mind, be clear. It could be a bouncer. That's totally fine. Mana customers are ila avaru prepare avale kada. It will be difficult for everyone. Totally fine. Just question of SMR, FR, various things. And then first level walk through. 15 minutes. 145 rupees. Focus on student that one question. Find that one question. ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ సరిగ్గా పేపర్లో రాస్తే వేరే లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో 5 క్వశ్చన్స్